Taoist's secret to immortality in just 3 minutes a day. This ancient practice works for everyone, man or woman. It awakens your inner energy, restores vitality, and connects you to the eternal flow of life. Sit or stand with a straight spine. Place your hands below your navel. This is your lower dantian, the center of your life force. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Draw energy from the sky and earth. Exhale, send it into your belly. Visualize a golden glowing orb forming inside you. It gets warmer and brighter with every breath. Now gently rotate your palms over your belly, clockwise. Feel the energy moving, circling, expanding. This is your chi, your power, your youth, your immortality. Three minutes a day can transform your entire energy system. Reconnect with your body, with your essence, with the Tao. Want more sacred energy practices? Visit www.sundarimagic.com.